Let's make autumn color changes. Begin by lightly drawing a horizon line across the page. This line separates the sky from the ground. Trees are great visuals that reflect the onset of the autumn season. Lightly sketch the crown of the tree. Add yellow, orange, and red marks to represent the leaves. As the temperature cools and days shorten, the leaves lose their green color because the chlorophyll breaks down. As the weather changes, trees build a protective seal between leaves and the branches that result in leaves falling to the ground. Add overlapping marks that represent leaves using your oil pastels near the base of the tree. Parents and teachers, subscribe to Crayola Learning YouTube channel and follow on social media for more colorful, creative content. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with creativity tips.